I will share a story with you. An old man had 3 sons. They were always quarreling. This made the old father unhappy. The old father told his sons not to quarrel, but they wouldn't hear him. The old father thought of a plan. One day, he made of a bundle of sticks and he called his sons in his room. "Break the bundle," said the old father. The sons, one by one, tried to break the bundle, but they failed. The father untied the bundle and gave the stick to each of them to break. Now each can easily to break the stick. My sons, if you united, none can break or harm you. Divided, you are easily to fall.